Y'all make sure to go ahead and like and subscribe to the YouTube channel to where you get all the info live and direct. What's up, y'all? It's your guy, the 10X Closer here. And this message is brought to you in part by, of course, the 10X Closer and the Garage Billionaire podcast. And real quick, I'm not a guru, not a mogul, not a rich guy. Just a dude just doing my thing and helping out people in the process do their thing. I don't know it all, but I know a little bit. But anyway, this is a lesson in business, right? You call yourself going to business school, getting all type of degrees, having all type of experience in business and whatever field you in, but that don't mean anything if you lack common sense. And from time to time we all lack a little bit of common sense. We go against the grain, go against good thought, and I guess the tip of the day is, above all, make sure that you keep common sense first. If whatever proposition you're getting into or being proposed, if it just don't make sense to you, don't do it. I don't care what the numbers sound like, because a lot of the times, if it sounds too good to be true, most likely it is. And, you get caught up in bullshit. So, my tip of the day is always put common sense first and do the numbers second. If it don't make sense to you, don't do it. And keep everything 100 business. No friends, no family, no homeboy. Definitely don't do the homeboy business, because it's not good business. Make sure you use common sense, use good business sense, and paperwork. Use paperwork. So everybody that, hit me up to get tips and try to find out different things, I ain't the biggest out there, but I got some valuable gems and life lessons. So with that said, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day, make good decisions, and see y'all at the top.
Most shit can't be televised. In life, you gotta compromise. Been jumping like I'm teleport. In the coupe, yeah, that shit be sport. Back then, I jumped off the porch. With a 2-3, that's my baby toy. Drug dealers with the fenced door. Hit of the trap at that corner store. Yeah, we dodging the police. Yeah, it could get all dirty up in these streets. Yeah.